Have you ever pondered the aftermath of two neutron stars colliding? Imagine two celestial bodies, each packed with more mass than our sun, yet only about 20 kilometers in diameter, spiraling towards each other in an intense cosmic dance. Neutron stars, the collapsed remnants of massive stars that have exhausted their nuclear fuel, are among the most extreme objects in the universe. Their density is so high that a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. Now imagine these two incredibly dense stars merging in a cosmic collision. This isn't just any ordinary collision. We're talking about an event so massive that it shakes the very fabric of the universe. Astronomers were able to observe this event happening billions of light years away, a testament to the colossal scale and power of such a cosmic event. This cosmic collision, or neutron star merger, is not just a spectacle of unimaginable proportions. It's also a cosmic forge, where the intense pressures and temperatures create conditions not found anywhere else in the universe. These unique conditions allow for the creation of heavy elements like gold and platinum, further adding to the spectacle of this celestial event. But the most extraordinary outcome of this cosmic collision is the birth of a new type of star. This newborn star, a merge remnant, is the result of the intense fusion of the two colliding neutron stars. It's a rare and remarkable celestial object, a testament to the incredible power and beauty of the universe. This cataclysmic event sparked an explosion so powerful it was visible across the universe. This explosion, known as a kilonova, outshines entire galaxies, making it one of the most extreme events in the universe. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the incredible cosmic collisions taking place billions of light years away. The universe is full of extraordinary wonders, and we've only just begun to uncover them. The collision wasn't silent. It created a cosmic symphony. As the two neutron stars spiraled towards each other and finally collided, they sent out gravitational waves rippling through the fabric of space and time. But what exactly are these gravitational waves? Picture this. When you toss a pebble into a still pond, the impact creates ripples that spread outward, disturbing the water's tranquility. In a similar manner, when two massive objects in space, like neutron stars, collide, they create ripples in the fabric of space and time. These ripples, moving at the speed of light, are known as gravitational waves. Albert Einstein first predicted the existence of gravitational waves over a century ago as part of his theory of general relativity. But it wasn't until 2015 that scientists finally detected these elusive waves, opening a new window into the universe and how we perceive it. Fast forward to this celestial collision. The gravitational waves it produced were so powerful, they stretched and squeezed space itself, allowing us to detect this astronomical event billions of light years away. But these waves did more than just signal the collision. They carried with them valuable information about the event. By studying these waves, scientists were able to discern the mass, spin, and even the size of the colliding neutron stars. And most importantly, they revealed the birth of a new type of star, a merge remnant. This merge remnant is a rare celestial object, formed from the intense fusion of the two colliding neutron stars. The gravitational waves unveiled the birth of this colossal giant, giving us a front-row seat to a cosmic spectacle. In essence, gravitational waves serve as the universe's messengers, bringing us news from the farthest corners of the cosmos. They allow us to listen to the universe's cosmic symphony, providing us with a deeper understanding of the mysteries of space and time. This ripple through space and time heralded the birth of a colossal new star. We've just begun to scratch the surface of what gravitational waves can tell us about the universe, and who knows what exciting discoveries lie ahead. From the ashes of destruction, a new celestial giant was born. This new star, a merge remnant, is the aftermath of a cosmic collision between two neutron stars. This aftermath is no ordinary star, but a Gigant star, a celestial titan of extraordinary proportions. A Gigant star is a colossal entity, a true giant among the stars. Its size is nothing short of staggering, stretching the boundaries of our understanding of stellar dimensions. Imagine a star so massive it dwarfs ordinary stars, making them look like mere specks of dust in comparison. But it's not just the size that sets Gigant stars apart. Their mass, too, is extraordinary. Gigant stars possess a mass that far exceeds that of any ordinary star, a mass so great it challenges our comprehension. This vast mass is the result of the fusion of two neutron stars, each already incredibly dense, creating an entity of immense gravitational pull. What's more, the luminosity of these giant stars is breathtaking, outshining even the brightest stars in our night sky. Their light, powered by the energy released during the fusion of neutron stars, is a beacon across the cosmos, a testament to their extraordinary birth. These giant stars are not merely larger versions of the stars we're familiar with. They are a whole new breed of star, born from the ashes of a cosmic collision, a testament to the power and beauty of the universe. They challenge our understanding of the cosmos and invite us to explore further, to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe. Gigant stars are the latest addition to our cosmic family, a new type of star that has expanded our understanding of the universe and its celestial bodies. These celestial giants are a testament to the awe-inspiring power of the cosmos and the constant evolution of our understanding of it. Monstrous in size and luminosity, gigant stars are a new addition to our cosmic family. They invite us to keep exploring, to keep looking up and marveling at the wonders of the universe. The birth of these stars is a result of an exotic and explosive event. As we delve into the heart of this celestial phenomenon, we uncover a stellar ballet of unimaginable proportions, the nuclear reaction triggered by the fusion of two neutron stars. Neutron stars are the remnants of supernovae, the explosive deaths of massive stars. They are incredibly dense, packing more than 1.5 times the mass of our Sun into a sphere only about 20 kilometers across. When two of these cosmic heavyweights collide, they create a spectacle that is nothing short of cosmic fireworks. During this collision, the neutron stars spiral in towards each other, their gravitational pull drawing them closer and closer. As they merge, they undergo a process known as neutron capture. This is where the real magic happens. The incredible pressure and temperature cause the neutrons in the stars to fuse, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. This energy, equivalent to the power of 1,000 suns, fuels the birth of the gigant star. The star expands, its mass and luminosity increasing exponentially. The extreme conditions created by the neutron-star collision cause the star to shine brightly, its light piercing the darkness of the cosmos. But this spectacular light show is not just for our viewing pleasure. It also provides invaluable insights into the nature of matter and energy. The fusion of neutron stars is a powerful natural laboratory, one that allows us to probe the limits of physical laws. By observing these nuclear reactions, scientists can study the behavior of matter under extreme conditions that cannot be recreated on Earth. They can also investigate the nature of neutron-rich matter, which is key to understanding the origin of the heavy elements in the universe. The process of neutron star fusion also has implications for our understanding of the life cycles of stars. The birth of a gigant star is a testament to the incredible transformations that stars can undergo. From their fiery birth in stellar nurseries to their explosive deaths as supernovae, stars are constantly evolving, their life stories written in the light they emit. The nuclear reaction that births a gigant star is a spectacular demonstration of the power and majesty of the cosmos. It serves as a reminder of the incredible forces at work in the universe, forces that shape the galaxies, stars, and planets. This nuclear fusion births a star unlike any other, a celestial wonder that illuminates the cosmos. These gigant stars, born from the fiery fusion of neutron stars, are a testament to the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of the universe. They are a shining beacon in our quest to understand the mysteries of the cosmos. This groundbreaking discovery opens a new chapter in our understanding of the universe. We're not just talking about a fascinating spectacle of cosmic fireworks here. The fusion of neutron stars and the birth of gigant stars bring forth profound implications for our grasp of stellar evolution and the birth of cosmic giants. Delving into the mystery of these celestial events, we uncover the intricate tapestry of how stars are born, evolve, and ultimately meet their fate. The fusion of neutron stars in particular offers an exceptional opportunity to comprehend these processes on an unprecedented scale. Picture two neutron stars spiraling into each other, merging in a cosmic dance choreographed by gravity. This spectacular event doesn't merely create a new star. It triggers a chain of reactions, giving birth to elements heavier than iron. Yes, you heard it right. Gold, platinum, and other precious elements we find on Earth are the cosmic offspring of these celestial collisions. The gigant stars, colossal as they are, provide a unique window into the extreme realms of the universe. Their immense mass and luminosity make them cosmic lighthouses, shedding light on the darkest corners of the universe. By studying these celestial behemoths, we can gain insights into the physical processes that govern their existence. The observation of these giant stars also aids in refining our understanding of gravitational waves. These ripples in the fabric of space-time, first theorized by Albert Einstein, have been confirmed by detecting the aftermath of neutron star collisions. Gravitational waves carry with them information about their violent origins, offering us a brand new way to explore the universe. Beyond their scientific significance, these celestial events remind us of our place in the cosmos. We are part of a universe in constant flux, where stars are born and die, where celestial giants collide and merge. We're not just passive observers, we are in fact made of star stuff, with every atom in our bodies having once been part of a star. The study of neutron star fusion and giant stars is not just about enhancing our knowledge of the universe. It's about unraveling our cosmic heritage, understanding our place in the universe, and maybe, just maybe, getting a glimpse of our ultimate destiny. These celestial collisions unlock the secrets of the universe, one gravitational wave at a time. The universe, in all its mystery and grandeur, continues to surprise and inspire us. Each new discovery, each celestial giant we unveil brings us one step closer to answering the most fundamental questions about our existence. And so, the journey of discovery continues. And what a glorious journey it is. Our cosmic adventure doesn't end here. As we speak, astronomers are tirelessly peering into the vast expanse of the cosmos, their minds filled with curiosity and their hearts with a thirst for knowledge. Astronomy is a never-ending quest. Each discovery, like the birth of the giant star, opens up new questions and new mysteries. It's a testament to the infinite possibilities that exist within our universe. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, it's not just about identifying new celestial bodies, but also about understanding the very essence of the universe and our place within it. With their high-tech telescopes and cutting-edge technology, scientists are constantly observing the night sky, hoping to catch a glimpse of the next cosmic event. Be it a supernova explosion, a black hole devouring a star, or perhaps another collision of neutron stars, each event brings with it a wealth of knowledge and a greater understanding of the universe's intricacies. The study of celestial phenomena like the giant stars provides us with invaluable insights into the fundamental laws of physics. By observing and analyzing these extreme events, we gain a deeper comprehension of matter, energy, space, and time. But the beauty of astronomy is that it not only satisfies our intellectual curiosity, but also feeds our sense of wonder and awe. Every new discovery, every startling revelation, reminds us of the vastness of the cosmos and the incredible diversity of celestial wonders it harbors. Beyond the giant stars, who knows what other celestial marvels are waiting to be discovered? Perhaps there are phenomena even more extraordinary, events even more cataclysmic, waiting just beyond our current reach. As we continue on this journey of cosmic exploration, we remain hopeful. Hopeful that with each passing day, with each new discovery, we move one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. Who knows what incredible celestial wonders await our discovery? Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure. We've journeyed billions of light years away to witness the birth of a remarkable celestial giant, birthed from the cataclysmic fusion of two neutron stars. This monumental collision has given us a glimpse into the heart of the cosmos, shedding light on the universe's most extreme events and the formation of colossal giant stars. This discovery is not just a testament to the wonders of the universe, but also to human curiosity, ingenuity, and our unending quest for knowledge. It's a reminder that the cosmos is a vast, uncharted territory, filled with mysteries waiting to be uncovered. So if you're intrigued by the mysteries of the cosmos and want to keep up with the latest astronomical discoveries, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Together, we'll continue this journey, venturing into the unknown and unveiling the celestial wonders that lie beyond our earthly realm. Keep exploring, and remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.